Hello my darlings, I'm back again. Welcome to our channel. Today we will speak about an issue that's affecting each and every one of us. Most of the times we may hide from the reality, but this issue is really disturbing most of us. We are going through this most of the times. My video today is about how to welcome back a runaway husband. How to welcome a runaway husband back home. At the times men run away from their wives, the so-called good wives. Today I'll bring a topic. Just sit and listen. Follow and watch. Remember to subscribe to our channel so that we may learn these things more. Show your support. Let us keep watching. Without much ado, I'll go to the video. How to welcome a runaway husband back home. Welcoming a runaway husband back home requires understanding, communication, and a willingness to work through the issues that led to his departure. Here are some steps to consider. Reflect on your feelings. Take some time to reflect on your own feelings about the situation. Understand your emotions, including any hurt, anger, or confusion you may be experiencing. It is essential to approach the situation with a clear and calm mindset. Ladies, you can wear those shoes. I know how it feels when the husband decides just to leave you with the children and just go elsewhere, or he stays alone, and here he wants to come back. Wear those shoes. I know you can feel it. Open communication. Initiate open and honest communication with your husband. Express your desire to welcome him back home and discuss the reasons behind his departure. Create a safe space for him to share his feelings and concerns without judgment. Feel free to speak. Don't hide any feelings or any hurt or anything. Discuss it in black and white. My viewer, discuss it in black and white. Make sure you speak your heart out. Remember, this is a time to heal, to bring back your family together. Thirdly, seek professional help. Consider seeking professional help through couples therapy or marriage counseling. A trained therapist can facilitate productive conversations, help both of you understand each other's perspectives, and provide guidance on how to rebuild trust and strengthen your relationship. Don't shy away. Seek professional counseling so that you may bring back to fit your relationship, your family, your marriage. Fourthly, establish boundaries and expectations. By setting clear boundaries and expectations for the future, discuss what needs to change or improve in your relationship to prevent similar issues from arising again. Ensure both of you are committed to making the necessary changes and working towards a healthier, more fulfilling relationship. Fifth, rebuild trust. Rebuilding trust takes time and consistent effort from both partners. Be patient and understanding as your husband takes steps to regain your trust. Reinforce even open and honest communication and demonstrate your commitment to the relationship, as well as follow through on any agreements made. 6. Focus on growth and healing. By encouraging personal growth and healing from both yourself and your husband. This may involve individual therapy, self-reflection, and self-care practices. Allow each other the space and support needed to heal from past wounds and work towards personal development. My viewer, subscribe to this channel so that we may learn more about what is affecting us in life. Let me give you time to subscribe. Have you subscribed? Remember to ring the notification bell so that you may be notified anytime we upload a new video. Dear viewer, subscribe so that we may learn more together. Create a supportive environment by fostering a supportive and nurturing environment at home. Encourage positive interactions. Practice active listening and show empathy towards each other's needs and concerns. This will help create a safe space for both of you to rebuild your relationship. Patience and forgiveness. By healing and rebuilding a relationship takes time. Practice patience and forgiveness as you navigate through the challenges together. Understand that setbacks may occur, but it is crucial to remain committed to the process and maintain open lines of communication. Maintain a positive outlook by focusing on the positive aspects of your relationships and progress you're making. Celebrate small victories along the way and encourage the efforts both of you are putting into rebuilding your relationship. Take everything positive. Grow a positive attitude towards you rebuilding the relationship. Self-care. Take care of yourself throughout the process. Prioritize self-care activities that promote your well-being, such as exercising, spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, and practicing mindfulness. By taking care of yourself, you'll be better equipped to support your husband and your relationship. My viewer, remember that every situation is unique and these steps may need to be adapted to fit your specific circumstances. It is essential to approach the process with compassion, understanding, and a genuine desire to rebuild your relationship. It is only the two of you who can take steps towards the journey of rebuilding your relationship once again. My viewer, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and ring the bell so that you may be alerted anytime there is a new video. My viewer, you are also free to share this video with the people you know it will assist them. I wish you a successful rebuilding of your relationship and may God bless you. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.